In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ads on an Odoo website. If you want to place display ads on your site using Odoo's built-in website tools, this method is one of the simplest ways to do it. The idea is to take the ad code provided by your ad network and insert it directly into a page using the Odoo website builder. As long as your ad provider gives you HTML or JavaScript code for the ad unit, this approach works well for adding banners or other display ads exactly where you want them to appear. The first thing you need to do is get the ad code. To do that, log into your ad network account and create a new ad unit. Once the ad unit is created, the platform will generate a piece of HTML or JavaScript code for you. This is the code that tells your website what ad to load and how to display it. Make sure you copy the full code exactly as provided, because even a small change can prevent the ad from working properly. Next, open your Odoo website. Go to the page where you want the ad to appear and then click the Edit button in the top right corner. This will switch the page into editing mode, which allows you to add and rearrange content visually. If you're planning to place the ad in a specific location, it helps to think about the layout before inserting anything, so the ad fits naturally within the page design. Once you're in edit mode, look at the panel on the right-hand side and find the Embed code block. Drag and drop that block into the exact area where you want the ad to show up. Placement matters here because it affects both visibility and the overall user experience. Try to position the ad in a way that feels integrated with the page rather than disruptive. After the block has been added, click on it and choose Edit. Then paste in the ad script you copied from your ad network. Double-check that the entire code is included and then save the page. At that point, your ad code is embedded into the website and the ad should load based on your ad network settings. If you don't see the ad immediately, keep in mind that some ad networks take a little time to begin serving content. It's also a good idea to preview the page after saving so you can confirm the ad appears correctly and doesn't interfere with the surrounding content. And that's how to add ads on an Odoo website using the website builder.